FS450R17KE3 by uscomponent.com. The FS450R17KE3 is a high-power semiconductor module, specifically an IGBT, insulated gate bipolar transistor module, manufactured by Infineon Technologies. Here's a concise summary. Voltage rating, 1700 V. Current rating, 450. A package type, IGBT module. Features, high power density, low switching losses, and high reliability. Applications, widely used in industrial motor drives, power supplies, renewable energy systems, and traction applications. This module is designed to efficiently handle high voltages and currents, making it suitable for various high-power applications, where reliability and performance are crucial. Its advanced features make it a preferred choice for demanding applications in industries such as industrial automation, renewable energy, and transportation. Ready to buy FS450R17KE3? Please contact sales at uscomponent.com.